Dear teachers, Jai Gurudev. Now I am going to explain about Google Form. Okay, how to create the Google Form. For that, click the Play Store, type Google Form. Okay, so you can see the Google Form, right? Click that. I have already installed, so I am opening it. Here you can see the Google Form, right? Click the Google Form, and here you can see so many forms, right? Those forms I have already created. Okay, now click the plus symbol for creating the new one. Okay, and you can see some forms, right? Those are all templates. Okay, you can use that, or else you can create the create blank form, that is new form. Okay, click the plus symbol. Now you can see the empty page with the untitled form heading and then description. So for this new form you are going to give the title for this. So I am giving the title as registration form for CS quiz. Okay, and then description I am going to enter from Maharishi Vidya Mandir Kumbhakona. Okay, done. And then down you can see the plus button, right? Click the plus button and you can see so many options. For creating the field you have to use those options. Okay, so now I'm going to use the short answer. Okay, short answer for writing the student name, short answer is enough. So I'm going to enter student name. Okay, and then see below you can see the required option, right? This required option you are making the field as mandatory one, so you are clicking this required. And next one again I'm going to click the plus button. That plus button I'm going to click the multiple choice. Okay, here I'm going to give grade. The student is going to select the grade. Okay, so grade, and then in multiple option I'm giving that is 10, and next option. Okay, and next option 11, and another third option, that is grade 12. Okay, like this I'm making this also a mandatory one. And next one I'm going to create one field as that is date, that is for submission date. Okay, submission date. Okay, so here uh, the student can able to enter the date, and making this also mandatory one. Like this you can create so many fields in a single form. Okay, so like this I have created, and what I'm going to do before I'm going to submit this, I'm going to do some setting changes. Okay, before the submit you can see some settings, right? So collect email address, you have to click this collect email address, so that every student by default they can enter the email address. And next one, limit to one response. Okay, so by using this uh, one student can use the Gmail account, right? So only one Gmail account for one student. Okay, like that they can access. And then allow responder to edit, no need to allow. And then allow responder to view, also no need to do. Okay, finally submit it. Okay, I'm going to submit. The form is getting created. Okay, now the form has created. And then you can share this in Gmail or WhatsApp or Facebook. I'm going to share this in WhatsApp. See, I'm going to share one of my friend. Okay, I have shared it. So here you can see registration form. Like this only the student can able to receive this form. And how student going to register, we are going to see now. Click this, and this is a form how students can see this. Okay, so required means I have mentioned all the field as required, because every field you can see the star symbol at the end. Okay, so like this it will display. I'm going to enter the email address. Okay, ishwar86@gmail.com. Student name is Sarvesh D, and then grade is 10th standard, and submission date I'm selecting as 6th. Okay, I have set it. So all those fields I have completed. and I'm selecting, you can see find me a send me a copy of my responses. One copy, every students who are all entering the details, they can also receive one copy. So I have to click this send me a copy of my response and then submit it. Okay, so registration form for CS quiz, your response has been recorded, so it is recorded. So immediately what I'm going to see is I'm going to check my mail, because as a student I have entered with my Gmail, so I'm going to check whether I have received a copy. Okay, Google form, see I have received one copy. This is a copy what I have entered. Okay, so the same I have received in my mail also. Again I'm going to the Google form. Okay, that is what I have installed. Open the Google form. See there, I have opened, that is registration form for CS quiz. Okay, I have selected this, and you can see so many form status, edit form. Okay, view response. Okay, click the view. One more important thing, edit form. If you want to edit anything in that form, whenever you can edit, the changes will automatically done in the particular page. Okay, and then view response, I'm going to view the responses. Okay, listen, view response, click the individual one so that you can see every individual person. So I have entered, right, that is serial number, time when I entered, email address, student name, grade, submission date, everything. Okay, so I am going to export all the data. If 10 students have entered, means all the 10 students will be listed here. So finally I'm going to export this using the Google Sheet. This one is free. Okay, okay, that is where I'm exporting is using the Ishwari86gmail.com account. Okay, so now I'm going to see my, that is sheet. Okay, finally I got the sheet, that is date, time is mentioned, that is email address, student name, grade, submission date, everything is mentioned. So finally you can extract the data like this and then send, that is share. Okay, I'm going to share this to send a copy, and then you can send through Excel or PDF or whatever it is. I am going to send as a PDF file. Click OK, and then same I'm going to share it in a WhatsApp like this. Okay, so finally the receiver can able to view your form. Okay, all the details have entered here. This is that is Google form. Okay, and in next session I will teach you about how to create a quiz